A magician was hired to work on a cruise ship. He did his act in a lounge that was decorated to look like a pirate cabin, with a parrot in a cage at the end of the counter.
Because the audience was different every week, the magician just did the same tricks over and over and over throughout the season.
The parrot watched each week and began to figure out how the magician did the tricks. Then, in the middle of the show, the parrot would call out,
Look, look, it's not the same hat, it's not the same hat, Brock!
Or,
Brock! The flowers are hiding under the table, Brock, Brock, Brock!
or,
Brock! All the cards are the ace of spades, Brock, Brock!
Oh, I've had it with you critic! I'm going to tell the captain.
Well, I can understand why that might upset you, but the passengers, they love that parrot. You're just going to have to deal with it.
One night there was a furious storm at sea. The ship sank. The magician managed to grab a piece of wood that was floating in the wreckage and hung onto it to stay afloat.
At dawn, he saw huddled on the other end of that plank.
Pesky parrot.
A long day passed with no sign of rescue. Then the sun began to set.
I give up. Brock! Where's the ship? Brock!